It's early morning here for me. It's about 8 o'clock and today I'm going to try the ESTÉE LAUDER Concentrated Recovery Powerfoil Mask. I've never tried this before. This is the most expensive mask that I've ever bought. It is indeed foil. Quite a lot of liquid in the packet, which is good. Step 1 is spread it out. Step 2 is put it on. Step 1 is the bottom. Okay. So put this bit on. Oh, it's nice and cooling. Oh, this is beautiful. I can feel it's beautiful already. Quite big for my face. I think I might have a small face. And the top part. This is feeling like Batman. Something like that. Wow. Yes, it's quite big. Oh, it's so cooling. Feels like it's been in the fridge and it's just been in my bathroom cabinet. Leave on for 10 minutes, then remove mask and gently massage any remaining liquid. So it's pretty quick, 10 minutes. Okay, I'm back. I kind of like the futuristic look of it, but I'm going to take it off. And I was just having a Epsom salts foot spa for the last 10 minutes and it was very nice, a warm foot spa. It's very juicy. Very much been neglecting skincare. It's still a lot of moisture in it. It feels really nice on the skin. What do you think? Do you see a difference? Lots of moisture on my skin. I always like to use up the moisture that's in the bags as well. So that's it, the ESTÉE LAUDER Advanced Night Repair. I think it's worth a try. It's quite beautiful. Have a great day. I just noticed that it's made in Japan, so Japanese and the Koreans, they do a great face mask.